Hello everyone, happy summer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here at the Olivia's Romantic Home. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you a huge Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be summer decor vibes, definitely all the way, you guys. I am so ready for summer. I did get this at the Dollar Tree. I don't know how it looked when I threw it on my head. Hopefully okay. And probably now my hair is all messed up. Anyway, you guys, it is time for a Dollar Tree haul. As always, I love to give you guys my first top 3 picks from Dollar Tree. Of course, I loved it all, but these are the top 3 things that I think Dollar Tree is nailing it on for summer. You guys can tell my excitement. Truly, I'm super excited for this. So the first thing are the summer Dollar Tree placemats, and I found the woven placemats. Woo woo! Oh my goodness, check out how cute these are, you guys. So what I love about these is they're very high quality, a beautiful color. I think they had them in this like kind of tan cream color. They also had them in kind of like a coralish, light coral color. And then I can't remember, maybe a light gray color, but I thought these would be the most versatile. I actually did like the coral color, but I wanted to be able to use them from summer on into fall, and who knows, maybe we may do a tablescape for Christmas with these woven placemats. But these are a great deal. If you guys have a chance to find these, definitely pick these up. The sky is the limit on how we're going to use these. I can't wait to share that with you. And then the other placemat that I thought was super cute and hot for summer was this blue placemat. How adorable is this? I don't know if they had this last year, but it caught my eye. I just thought it was so pretty. Probably going to use this in a tablescape, and I also thought these would be fresh and fabulous for your refrigerator. So who knows what I'm going to do with that. And then the other 2 placemats that I thought were super fun that we're going to use in some DIYs were these really adorable blue seashell placemats, and I grabbed 2 of the starfish. So I just think these colors are so beautiful together, and if you guys just think about this, something like this, and you could put like a marble plate on top of it, a white plate on top of it, but how cute for summer is this going to be? Seriously, you guys, and it's only a couple of dollars, and it really gets you in the spirit for summer. I'm just so ready. We've been going to the beach like every other day, and it's just such a great time of year. My sister's been here, so you guys can tell I'm excited. I'm in love with some of these fun finds and ready just to give my home just some pops of coastal. So my second top Dollar Tree pick would be the Dollar Tree signs this week. I found some amazing signs I'm so excited to share with you guys. I love this Breezy Bay beach bucket boardwalk sign. How cute is this? This would definitely be about $12 to $15 in a TJ Maxx. And then I also picked up this really cute Have a Hippie Day. I'm not really a hippie, but my parents were. And I just thought this was so cute. It's so sparkly. I think it'd be great in a little bathroom, or it's a great size to add to a wreath. So maybe a DIY is coming in our future with that. And then I did pick up a couple of more signs. I found this really cute coastal current clean shells calm beach. I love the colors on this. So shabby chic and gorgeous pastel vibes for sure. And then I also loved this good vibes sign. This is more of maybe like a farmhouse style, but I think it's super cute, and I think it would also make a great sign for a wreath or just wherever little spot that you need to be reminded to have some good summer vibe. The other sign that I am loving is this sandy beaches, salty seas, and relaxation sign. So you guys, I love these Dollar Tree signs that are like layered in 3s, mainly because they're just held together with ribbon in the back, and you can pull them off and use them in all kinds of fun DIYs. So that is it for my sign. The next absolutely amazing, fabulous, fun find were the Dollar Tree daisies. You guys, look how big these are. Oh my goodness, I feel like I should be able to just smell them, but they don't smell like anything. Really more plastic. But I grabbed several different colors. I grabbed this hot pink, the yellow. I'm going to use the yellow in an upcoming DIY and also in my daughter's bedroom. She requested yellow. And then I did grab a blue one, and these are also on really tall sticks. So if you guys needed to put these in like a long vase, they would be super amazing. But individually, these would be about $3 to $5 at your Michael's or your Hobby Lobby or even Walmart's tall daisies like this are a little bit more pricey. So definitely keep your eyes out for their big Gerbera daisies. Tell me if I'm saying that right. Gerbera, Gerbera, Gerbera. I think it's Gerbera. Anyway, I love these. And then I did grab a couple of other florals just because you guys know me. I have to go a little crazy with my florals. I think it's such a fun, easy way to redecorate. So for my other florals, I did grab some sunflowers in several different colors. Again, we are redecorating my daughter's room in sunflowers. And I also did go ahead and grab some of this really cute little yellow Queen Anne's lace. And then these sparkling little blue butterflies. They're super whimsical, probably kind of silly. I usually don't use blue, but we're gonna go for some blue this time around. My next awesome Dollar Tree find were these little decorative bowl fillers. These are really, really pretty, you guys. They have kind of a detail of kind of some scrolly detail. They're in this really pretty kind of gardeny green. And then I also grabbed a couple of these little small decorative kind of bamboo bowl fillers as well. I grabbed these because I'm gonna do a DIY with them. I'm not totally for sure what we're gonna do, but I think they're gonna be really cool. We may even add some paint to these. I don't know, the sky's the limit. So check these out. I found these in the candle section. Again, they were kind of in a weird little spot. I don't know that I would have seen them, but I was really hunting today. So these are really cool. My next Dollar Tree find are these cute little votive holders. I actually passed these up a couple of weeks ago when they first came out, but I guess I must be in the mood for those beach summer vibes because we've been going to the beach like every other day. And so I went ahead and grabbed a couple of these, and we're gonna do a DIY with these. And I also grabbed this super adorable little fish. I believe you can put a little votive in here as well. We're gonna do a DIY with him too. And then if you guys are gonna be crafting along with me, here are some of the craft supplies that we're gonna be using in some of the upcoming DIYs that I have planned for you guys. So the next fun summer craft DIY upcoming project, I grabbed some of this sand. I was excited to find that Dollar Tree had this different colored sand. I'm sure they've had it before, but I haven't been looking. But I grabbed purple, then the white sand and the green sand. I'm so excited, you guys. I am over the moon excited for the beach and for summer. The next fun find from Dollar Tree for some craft projects are this bag of rocks and these really pretty little blue glass gems. So actually my daughter, we stopped at a garage sale and there was a lady painting on rocks, and my daughter paints paintings that are really small. So I kind of got these for her to see if she wanted to paint on some of these rocks, but we're also going to use them in an upcoming DIY. I'm excited to share that with you guys. And I love the color of this beautiful blue glass gem. It's just so happy and so coastal summer vibe for sure. And you guys know it would not be a Dollar Tree haul if I didn't go ahead and grab some of their beautiful wired ribbon. I got the burlap ribbon, I got this darker green, this beautiful seafoam green, and then I did go ahead and pick up some of this pretty blue kind of burlap colored ribbon. We'll see what I can come up with. Worst case scenario, I don't use the dark green and I can just use that for Christmas. But I thought these colors were really pretty, really summery, beach vibe ready. Another fun summer DIY decor thing I think will be to use this fishing net decor. This was in kind of the party section with like all the luau stuff. But this was the last one left, and you guys, my Dollar Tree is crazy. It sells out of things and then it just doesn't come back in. So for only $1, I think we can use this in some upcoming DIYs. I actually have something planned for this, so I hope it's gonna work out. But go ahead and grab this if you guys are gonna DIY along with me. Another thing I went ahead and picked up was this beautiful bottle. I love these bottles. I love the shape and the detail of them. You guys could also use a clear wine bottle if you just wanted to be recycling. I have a DIY planned for this. I think it's going to be super fun. So go ahead and grab one of these also if you guys are going to DIY along with me. I also went ahead and grabbed one of these scented warmer oils with the little seashell on the front. I think this is going to be taken off. Actually, I know it is. And we're gonna do a really fun DIY with this. But I love the little seashell. It actually looks really classy, like something you could get from Bath and Body. So anyway, grab one of these. These are just in their bathroom supplies section, and for $1, you can't go wrong. The next thing that I found that I feel like Dollar Tree is just killing it on are their Father's Day cards. I went ahead and picked up one for my dad and one for Mr. Romantic. I always wait to the last minute to buy cards, and thankfully they still had some. So another fun find that I found was this little luau skirt. Now, I'm not going to be wearing this as a luau skirt, although that would be pretty funny. But this is going to be great for a little party decor because I'm sure it's going to unwrap and probably be like a panel this wide. So if you guys are doing any kind of luau party decor, keep an eye out for these hula skirts. They make also a tablecloth that has a hula around it, but it's plastic. So I loved this because it was like a little bit more high end. You guys, I've gone crazy for summer. What would you think if I had green hair? Anyway, I grabbed one of these. We're gonna use it in a DIY. It's gonna be fabulous. And then I did go ahead and pick up one of these cute little Dollar Tree hats. Now, I'm not really totally for sure how you're supposed to wear this. Is your hair supposed to be tucked in front and behind? But I did go ahead and grab one of these, you know, trying to be cool. I don't know if I'll have the guts to wear it. You guys comment and let me know. Should I wear this hat out on the beach? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I did go ahead and grab a couple of just regular basic items. Dollar Tree has fridge soda organizers, so I'm kind of crazy about organizing even in my fridge. For $1, I think it would be more at a home decor store. And then the other household things that I bought were some of these flushable toddler wipes. I'm gonna stick these in my bathroom. It's summer. You always need to stay fresh. Just saying. And then I also just grabbed some of their cosmetic wedges. These I use for my foundation and also, you know, covering up dark circles and whatnot. So these are super great. So that is going to be it for this Dollar Tree summer haul. I cannot wait to share some more DIYs with you guys. And great news, I have a super huge announcement. Mr. Romantic is going to be doing some DIYs on my channel. So if you guys aren't familiar with my channel, Mr. Romantic is my husband. His actual real name is Josh, but I love to call him Mr. Romantic because he is just the best in the whole world. But he is an amazing crafts person. Like, he can build things and just do all this crazy cool stuff. So I cannot wait to share some DIYs with you guys with him. Yay! Everybody give a shout out to Mr. Romantic. Also, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. You guys truly make my heart sparkle and shine. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. I post all kinds of wacky stuff that I'm doing behind the scenes on my Instagram story and also some on my page. So you guys check that out. And then also I have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. I love to see all of the DIYs that you are recreating. You guys are so creative and I'm learning so much from you guys. So thank you so much. So thank you guys again. I love you so much. Until the next time, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.